Hello, everyone. How are we all doing? A little bit less hair than last time, but just realized my shirt has flour and stuff from work. Sorry about that, but hey, real life gets in the way sometimes. How are we all doing? I got a great gift from a dear, dear friend of mine who lives just across the border from us up in Plattsburgh, New York. It's an hour away at best. And last time she was up, we went to the store and she kind of freaked out when she saw, when it comes to Oreos, at least where I am here in Montreal, we have basically two. We've got the regular Oreos and we have the white Oreos, or the golden, or whatever they're called. We do have the double stuff and all those, but as far as the flavors, there's the original and there's the vanilla. So she was really, really nice. And from Plattsburgh, she sent me four different flavors that we can't get here, which was kind of nice. I'm just realizing in the corner over there, there's some of the gifts from a secret Santa that I'm involved in. And there's a panettone, or an Italian cake, that will be in another video, but that's in the future. So she was great, and she sent me four different bags. Let me try and get these to show them to you. There we go. Now, one of these, I will be honest, we have had here before, but it was a very limited time release, and I never got to try them. So it's still going to be a new flavor for me. So to start off, we've got the classic mint Oreos. These should be really good because chocolate and mint to me are one of my favorite flavor combinations ever. Next we have, a cinnamon roll or cinnamon bun one. And it looks like it says it's a cinnamon cookie. So I guess it's the usual cream, but a cinnamon flavored cookie. Next, this is just going to be a pure sugar load. Forget the fact I've got four different Oreos to try, but one of them is birthday cake. This I know is going to be as sweet as anything, but it could still be really good. I don't know. And finally, peanut butter and chocolate pie. So a peanut butter and chocolate Oreo. These I hope are good because I love peanut butter and chocolate. Like, to me, Reese's Cups are my favorite go-to snack. And very soon, I have all the stuff. I just need the time to do it. I'm going to be showing you how to make them at home yourself. It's so easy. It doesn't take a lot of stuff, but they're so good. I've made them before, and they never last. I've just never filmed it when I've made it. She was also sweet enough to send me, try and get these again, some Macaron from France. These are actually imported from France. She ordered them and had them sent right to me. So I've got a lemon one. Whoops. Trying to organize all this on my desk so it doesn't all fall. So there was a lemon one, an orange one, and a strawberry one. So I'm going to start actually with the macaron because they're going to fall over the easiest. So like I said, these did come straight from France. It was funny because when they were shipped, there must have been a dry ice pack or something in the box because they came and they were like frozen. And there was a bag and it looked like just air in it, but it was most likely the... Oh, opening that box instantly I can smell. So you can see there, whoop, it's just one macaron in the box. And it looks like a classic macaron. I don't know how well they've survived in shipping, but she ordered these from a pastry shop there, and she said they were one of the most popular places in Paris, so I don't know. But Mm. Mm. Not too bad. Okay. Really nice strawberry flavor. A lot sweeter than I thought it would be. And these are obviously not the same ones they sell in their shops. These are more commercially made, I'm sure. It's got more of a meringue taste than you would get, say, with a normal macaron. They're really nice. They're really good, but they aren't. It's not the same as if you were, say, go to a pastry shop in Paris, or even a local place that makes their own macaron, and getting one fresh. It's something's different about it. It's really good. I'm just going to put that aside because I've got a lot of sweets to eat here. I'm not going to bother trying the orange or the lemon ones because they're going to be the same. It's just going to be a different flavor. I'm sure they're going to be tasty. They'll go good with some nice coffee, which I have. A little coffee to rinse the mouth out. So I guess next, because it's right there, we'll try the peanut butter chocolate pie Oreos. Smells like an Oreo. They look like just pretty well regular Oreos. Put that down. And let's see, do they separate like Oreos? Yes, they do. So yeah, inside we just have a peanut butter side and a chocolate side. So normally I would have a big glass of milk and I'd be dunking these. But for taste testing, we'll go with this. We'll eat them normally. And, well, we'll eat them like a normal cookie. And we'll try and get it so we get a bite of each side. Not too bad. And peanut butter comes through at the end. The chocolate's very, very pronounced. Extremely sweet, though. They could have cut some of the sugar down and like brought up that peanut butter flavor. You know, you're selling it as a chocolate and peanut butter pie, and you don't really get the peanut butter. But do I like them? Yeah, they're a thumbs up. I always thought it was funny. As many of you know, I live in Montreal, Quebec. In Montreal, and well, in Quebec, the first language here is in French. So when she sent me these from the States, I laughed. I know it's really hard to see and it's going to be backwards for you, but there is French still on the packaging. That kind of made me laugh. So I thought that was kind of cute. You know, here she is from the States, and I can't get away from French. So next we're going to try the Sugar Rush, the birthday cake ones. I have no clue. Well, I guess they're supposed to taste like birthday cake. Okay, cute. So from the outside, let's just put that behind. Just looks like a regular Oreo. And hopefully, yeah, you can see when we open it up, it's got little funfetti in it. So I'm guessing it's a chocolate cake with some icing. We'll see. Very unexpected taste. It's kind of sour. And then I realized it's supposed to be like a cream cheese icing. Extremely sweet. Like, I'm going to be up for like half an hour extra just from the sugar from this one cookie. Would it be one that I would go out of my way and buy? No. No, the taste of the filling, the icing, is just a little bit off to me. In fact, that is going in the bin beside me. The other one, the flavor grew on you. This one, no, definitely not my favorite. There's just, like I say, that sour taste that hits you, sort of overtakes everything. At least the coffee got rid of the taste. So, next, we shall try cinnamon buns. And those of you who know me know I adore cinnamon buns. My last video, of course, depending on when you're watching this, was the cinnamon bun apple pull-apart. Now, I shot that video on a Saturday, and I've made it 2 more times since. So it gives you an idea how much I adored that recipe. So simple and so delicious. Okay, not a huge cinnamon smell. They just look like the blonde Oreos. Inside, a nice amount of icing. Because I think that's almost the best part of some cinnamon buns. Some of them are just... Actually, one of the girls at work today made cinnamon buns last night, and she brought them into work. And I thought I was going to fight off my co-workers because I just wanted to devour them all. She did an excellent job on them. Okay, let's hope these are better than birthday cake. Oh yeah. Still sweet. Like, really sweet. I don't know if it's the cinnamon isn't ground up enough or the sugar or what, but it has a gritty feeling to it. I don't know if that's intentional. I don't know if it's a mistake. But taste-wise, it's a cinnamon bun. There's the cinnamon, you don't smell it too much, but you definitely taste it. And the icing or the filling, the cream in the middle, really adds to it. It's a really nice one. This is one I'll finish. Excellent. So good. I'm not going to want dinner after shooting this video. I know it's only 4 cookies, but still. Whoa. Now this smells like mint. And then some. Needless to say, this is the mint Oreos, the last ones. And, oh yeah, she's green. She's almost neon green, actually. Open her up so you get a better view, but yeah, that's green. And when I took this cover, the lid off, whatever you want to call it, I got even more of that mint smell. Which is great, because maybe this will get the taste of that birthday cake one out of my mouth. So, let's see. Absolute favorite. The taste on this is incredible. was it Mr. Christie or whoever makes them, scrap all the other flavors, keep this, do this one as a double stuff, and if you want to make it really special for Christmas, dunk it in white chocolate. Rest of the time, even just regular chocolate. So good. It, sometimes you get a mint cookie or chocolate and it has like a really bad artificial taste. It tastes almost like toothpaste. It tastes like real mint. I know that's kind of hard to explain, but it doesn't taste as artificial as, say, some of the other flavors we've tried today. This, for sure, is a keeper. And if she asks which one I like the best, I'm going to say this. And then I'm going to PayPal her like $40 or whatever. And she can send me down like 5 or 6 more cases. So there we go. Short, sweet video. I just realized Foxy was there. I guess he was making sure I didn't eat all the cookies. Or he's trying to get some for himself, I don't know. But short and sweet, quick little tasting video. Always fun to do. I love trying things that we can't get here. As you know, we do the snack crate videos. I've had some other subscribers send me some goodies that we've tried. I just got that great box from Linda with her homemade cookies and everything. I know I have another box coming shortly if USPS ever hurries up and gets it across the border. But yeah, there we go. I just wanted to do this quick little video, let you know how I felt about these cookies and everything. And if there are cookies or snacks or anything that you would like me to try, feel free, get in touch with me. Really simple, 5 p.m. chef@gmail.com. Feel free, drop me a line, join our Discord server, send me a message through the website. However you like, leave a comment on this video, and I'll get in touch with you. So thank you ever so much for tuning in. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. See when I come out with new videos. We do cooking, of course. We do snack crate openings. We do tastings like this. We do all kinds of fun things. Game nights, which will be coming back shortly, we hope. We're waiting for an internet person to come and check everything out, but with everything going on right now, there are no home visits, so I have to wait for that. So, if I don't see you before, have yourself a very Merry Christmas. Please be safe. Don't do anything stupid. I know it's that time of the year. I know we all want to get together with family and friends and loved ones. But with everything going on out there, and with how dangerous this is it really worth it? I know for Christmas I'm going to be right here. In fact, I might even be doing a Christmas video. I don't know. So, until next time we meet, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. And we'll see you again really soon. Have a great day. And someone just messaged me.